can taste it! And that's what a Devil's Night crowd wants.
What? Waking up in the burn unit?
No, they want the stage to piss fire.
I pissed fire once. It ain't no joke.
You need to concern yourself less with my fireworks and more with your ass shit bass playing.
What?
I need tonight's show to put us on the map, and it simply cannot be done if you continually suck balls on bass.
Fine. But it all seemed pointless when you burned the club down.
Death sells. That was great! You've got some supreme left-hand strength. What's your secret, Doug?
A little squeezing, a lot of tugging.
On what, stress balls?
You could say that.
So when are you gonna show off your supreme new skills?
Tonight, we got a big Devil's Night gig at Nails Open Bottle.
Is that all-you-can-eat strip club?
No, that's Nails Open Legs. 2 blocks down.
Great seafood.
The best.
One scaredy bat. 2 scaredy bats.
Why are you making Halloween-shaped dog shit?
No! It's beef jerky to hand out at tonight's show. Each one has our business card attached.
If one of my fans chokes to death on one of your stupid cards, you'll die next.
And that would be okay, because I'd see Dad. Halloween was his favorite day of the year, aside from Yom Kippur.
Remember he used to scare the piss out of kids with his haunted houses?
He didn't scare the kids. He just forced them to have fun.
Yeah, is that why he wore a bloody pig's head and chased a kid 4 blocks with a running chainsaw?
The man liked to drink.
I'm here and ready to rock ass!
Do you still suck balls?
Nah, yo. Rico said I'd be supreme.
He says that about everyone. He had a stroke once. It was very sad. Okay, everyone, shut up! This song's called Action Reaction. So you wanna go? For every action there will be a reaction. I'm gonna fucking blow. Just give me a reason not to beat you. I'm fighting the ass off you. I'm fighting the shit out of you. I can't believe how much you didn't suck!
I can't believe the sprinklers didn't go off.
Ow! Saw! You never rocked so hard!
I had a rock in my ass!
Good idea! I'm gonna go buy you 2 dinks drinks.
Great show.
I know.
Oh, take me.
Too hot.
Sign my boob.
Hey, lad, that was good up there. Nice fireworks. I used to live and breathe fireworks when I was your age.
What are you, a dragon?
The name's Bonnie, Bonnie G. I'm a producer for the label Umpire Records. You, may have heard of them.
No, but I'll keep an eye out for them. Get it? Your eye? It's fake. Too soon.
Look, I'll level with you, lad. I can help you become a star.
A star, eh? Turn it up until your head bleeds and your face melts. Whoa! That dream song that I ain't even wrote yet is amazing.
Exactly. And recording that song in your head will be our second order of business.
What's the first?
Firing your band.
We were awesome tonight!
Best show ever.
You're both fired from the band.
What? Ricky, we've been through this before. We're a team. Teams stick together.
Yeah, and teams also do homoerotic things in the change room.
What's the point of becoming a star alone, huh?
Yeah, Rick. It's lonely at the top.
You're absolutely right. Saul, still fired. Doug, rehired. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Bags full of jerky, no mouths to feed. The future is so murky, how much more must I bleed? The shapes are so funny, but being fired is sad. I see something coming, oh shit, this could be bad. Hello? Who's there? Why are you doing this? Ah!
Devil's Night! Ah!
Please. Ah! 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 Crazy kids.
No! What are you wearing, hockey gloves? You gotta play the thing. You don't choke it.
It's called rock, dude. Yeah!
No. That is called rock, lad. Now, sit down before you hurt yourself.
What? So what, you're gonna play the guitar now?
Well, that's what producers do, lad. You can add your guitar part later.
Ew.
Something be fishy about this whole situation.
Yeah, he plays like a pussy.
Hey, all's not lost. Get your festive jerky here!
We're here for the haunted house. Where is it?
Yeah, like what the hell? Your dad dies and so does the haunted house? You gonna cancel Christmas too?
Yeah, Jesus Christ!
Well, yes, the haunted house. Follow me.
Finally, Jesus Christ!
A long time ago, this place used to be a mad cow asylum. Some say they never left.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Tough crowd.
No.
What?
Hey, listen. A goat with throat cancer called. He said he wants his voice back.
That was honeysuckle.
Well, you got the suck part right. Now, trust me, lad, this is a hit song. Hit, record.
Fine.
I say, let it rain. Let the rain
Sounds like he took singing lessons from a farting ass.
sound.
Maybe it'll sound better once you add your vocal.
That's like pouring gravy on a shit biscuit.
Nobody likes my haunted house. I wonder what Daddy would do. Oh, my sweet Christ!
What the hell is going on?
It's a real-life house of horrors in there!
This is Malone, your new drummer. You can call him Loner, Loneski, Ma, or just Malone.
Hard to pick when they all suck.
No. You need to check your tempo.
Check your head, mate.
I'm gonna need a word alone with Malone.
Whatever.
What's the deal, mate?
Malone wasn't feeling well. He left.
What? Well, who's gonna drum?
What are you, stupid? Hit the record button already.
Fine. What the hell's going on here?
I know. He's totally covered in blood.
What? I'm talking about my song, Dick Nuts. Pay attention. Shit.
Welcome to the haunted house. Enjoy the jerky.
Awesome! Whoa!
I got some bad feeling about Bonnie G.
You think he's not really a producer? And he's actually doing this to steal my music and kill me?
I guess when you put it like that, it is pretty crazy. I got to go take a shit.
Yo, Bonzi, when exactly do I get to play here?
No worries, lad. You're up next, but right now, I've got the execs from Umpire Records waiting upstairs. When they hear this song, you and I will be rich.
Is that so? God, is it me or is that guy so full of shit it's coming out of that gaping hole in his face?
Enjoy the haunted house. House is haunted. Enjoy it. Hey, what's going on? My customers are getting injured! Everybody skedaddle! The meat is expired!
Oh, excuse me. Whoa! Man, Bonnie G sure loves his Halloween. A wax replica of Malone.
Wow, it looks so real! Ah! Bitch, you is for real!
Hey, lad, sorry I'm late for the meeting. Don't get up.
Oh no! Please don't have sex with the bodies.
Listen, lads, I know I had to kill you because you wouldn't sign me in my last band, but, well, hey, let's bury the hatchet, huh? Besides, I have this new hot act that will put us back in business.
Good. As long as he ain't having sex with the bodies.
Wait! He's a cold-blooded killer! Let's do this.
Oh. I guess it wouldn't hurt to give it a listen.
I say, let it rain.
What is this? This song sucks wicked bad! Ah!
We got to get out of here, man. Bonnie G's a killer.
I know! He totally killed my song!
Lads, we got the deal.
Deal's off! I'm firing myself and Doug! And oh yeah, I smashed your equipment too, because I was mad.
Hey, let's all calm her down.
No! Fuck you! You ruined my song! I'm done with this old man shit! Let's go, Doug!
But I'm connected in the industry.
Trick or treat. Hey, nice rain stick.
Let it rain.
My leg! Ooh, customers! Bring it on, half cow! Sons of Butcher quality meats.
What the hell are you doing, shithead?
Daddy?
Of course it's me, shithead!
I'm so happy to see you!
You're fucking up my haunted house!
Tell me, Rick, is Bonnie G just a complete psycho or what?
No, he's just a one-eyed, bald man dry-humping the rock and roll dream.
I'm just glad he didn't have sex with the dead bodies. That is one thing I will not stand for.
Hey, he's probably doing it right now.
Ew.
No one fires me! I'm connected in the industry!
They say producers are huge assholes. And let me tell you, it's true. They'll help you out with all your music. Then say it wasn't written by you. Save the music, it's up to you. Fuck producers before they fuck you. That was the coolest!
Is he dead?
Haven't you ever seen a horror movie? Of course he's dead. Let's just turn our back on the corpse and walk away slowly with our guards down.
All right.
Okay, wait. You made all this meat come to life?
Your haunted house sucks, shithead. Don't you remember how fucking scary mine were?
They were pretty scary. Hey, Dad, I'm sorry for ruining your haunted house, but customers were getting hurt.
Ah, don't be such a pussy. They loved it. Nothing's scarier than wounded people with bloody violence.
Hey, sweet costume. Dad?
Dork nuts?
Oppo?
Bonnie G?
Oppo!
Don't forget Doug, Dad. Hey. Owies.
Leave my boys alone!
Wait, how do you know him, Dad?
Bonnie G was my producer once, too. He tried to steal my songs, so I fired him. Then he tried to kill me, so I stabbed his fucking eye out with that shit-piece rain stick of his!
Stealing songs and killing people is what I do.
No, what? Crazy.
Listen, Bonnie G, if anyone's gonna stab my kids to death, it's gonna be me!
Time to let it rain!
My great big piece of ham says different! Ow! Ah! Ricky, Doug, make yourselves scarce.
Way ahead of ya.
Doug, we need to get to the jam room right now. I have an idea.
It's no time for songwriting, Ricky.
No, I have a plan. Listen, you and Saul are officially rehired in the band.
Forever?
Sure.
Sign here.
Oh,
This is for what your dad did to my eye! Time to join your dad in hell.
Daddy, please don't let me die.
Get that rain stick out of my boy's neck!
Daddy! Ah! You make me want to quit music.
You're not even in the band!
yes, he is. Saul, get your ass up here.
Oh, Rickens.
What the hell, dork nuts? Let me kill him!
No, this will be way more painful for him, believe me. Now get your big meaty ass on drums.
Fine.
Ah, you can't treat me like this! I'm connected in the industry!
This song's for you, Bonnie G, It's my dream song from my actual dream, unaltered by your 45-year-old hands. Follow the key of E, guys. Watch for the changes.
I always was a bit doubtful. You're way too old to be helpful. Now here you are on a mean hook, and I'm rocking the song you almost took. Why say, turn it up until your head bleeds and your face melts.
Hey, Darknuts, can I finish him off now?
Sure, Dad. Now you're connected to the music industry permanently!
Dad, what can I say? You showed up, you kicked ass, you even got to kill a man. I just want you to know that I love you.
Shut up, shithead. I've got some hot, dead action waiting for me back at the Halloween party in hell. Peace out!
That's my dog. I'm just glad we'll never see Bonnie G ever again.
You know, lads, back on Earth, I was connected in the industry.
Bonnie G!
No hard feelings, buds. Yo, DJ, pump this party!